it's me, Kat, and today we are doing a splits workout. So if you want to get flexible, you have come to the right place. You guys can all do it. It just takes a little bit of work and a little bit of patience, but I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with the butterfly. Put your heels together, toes together, knees out, and you're just going to kind of press your knees down to the sides. These are really good just for getting your hips open. Then you can flap your wings. Where are you going to fly today? Just kidding. That's what I say to my kids. So just stretch forward. You can reach your arms out forward if you want. Maybe just put your head down to your toes. Perfect. Okay. Now we're going to just slide it out a little bit, like so, and then just stretch forward again. And then we're going to slide all the way down into pike. Try to keep your toes pointed and everything tight all the time. And we're going to slide forward and just put your nose to your knees. We're just trying to stretch out our hamstrings. Okay, so you're just going to hold it there. Really feel that stretch. Got to get nice and loose so that we can really get into the splits today. Okay, perfect. Now come on up. And we're going to start with our right leg in the front and our left leg in the back. Kind of get up on your left knee. And you want to make sure, we're going to just start with a lunge just to warm up and to get into it. So we're going to keep this at a 90-degree angle. Make sure your knee doesn't go over your toes. Keep it right here, and you're going to slide your left foot back. And we're just going to hold that just to get all this nice and stretched out. It probably hurts, but that's okay. Just smile through the pain. Breathe a little bit. It always helps. Good. And just hold it there for a minute. Good. And now you're gonna go back. You're gonna straighten your right leg, and you're gonna just put your nose to your knee. Good, and hang out here for a second. Good. Now the thing about stretching and getting flexible is it's all about time, so you need to hold everything for a pretty long time in order to get your splits. So we're going to hold our splits for a minute today. So if you can't go down, that's okay. You have to start somewhere. So we're just going to slide down as far as we can. If it's here, that's okay. And I'm going to time you. Ready? Go down as far as you can now. Good. So it's just slide down. If you're here, that's good. Just hang out and make sure you push yourself. If you're not feeling a stretch, go a little further. You can do anything for a minute. And just keep going. You can do this. And just keep breathing. It helps to breathe. It relaxes your muscles and kind of helps you stretch a little bit more. If you do have your splits, you can always stretch forward. Or you can stretch backwards. You can grab your back leg if you're feeling crazy. Good. We're almost there, guys. Just keep doing it. Push through. Remember, pain is weakness leaving the body. So if you're feeling it, that means you're getting flexible. 10 more seconds, you guys. You're almost there. You're doing great. Okay, push as hard as you can for 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Very good, y'all. Now you're going to just shake it out, and we're going to do the left side. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to start with our left leg in front, up on our knee. Make sure you keep this right angle, and then you're just going to slide this leg back. Good. And you're going to just hang out here for a second. And stop my clock. Good. And just feel that stretch in your groin. Great. And now you're going to stretch back, and you're going to put your nose to your knee. Just as far as you can. If you can't go all the way, that's okay. You'll get better every day. Just keep working at it. Good. Now, are you ready to slide down to the splits? Let's do it. Okay, so when I say go, we're going to just slide down as far as you can go. And go. Remember, if you can't feel it, then push yourself a little bit further. Good. And And try to keep everything squared. You don't want to be facing this way. You want to keep your shoulders straight in line with your leg. Good. Just keep on holding. You're getting flexible. Every second is taking you closer. Good. And again, if you have the splits already, you can lean forward. You can stretch back. You can get crazy. You're doing good, you guys. Keep pushing through. Keep your toes pointed. Keep everything tight at all times. Okay, ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Push as hard as you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. And there you go. Good job. See, you're a little bit more flexible than you were 2 minutes ago. So now we're going to move into our middle split. As soon as I turn this off. There we go. And so you're going to open up to second as far as you can. If you can only go here, that's okay. Just go as far as you can. Push yourself. So you're going to bring your left arm up and stretch to the right. Stretch out like you're trying to reach the wall next to you. And up. Good. Now take your right arm and stretch to the left. Keep your toes pointed. You want to always practice good technique. Good. And now you're going to put nose to knee. Good. And the other side. Good. Now we're going to take our hands and we're going to crawl forward as far as we can go. And if you can go all the way, then you're going to roll over. And we're going to just hang out here. You're going to keep just going as far as you can. So if you're only here, then just push as hard as you can and just hold it. It's really important to get our middle splits because then we have our hips open and that helps out a lot of other things. Y'all are doing great. Good. Good job, guys. Now bring it in. Shake it out. Okay, so now we're going to roll onto our back. So you're going to just lie back. Everything's flat, and you're going to bring your right leg up to your nose. Keep everything pointed and straight. It's not going to help you too much to have your legs bent. So we're going to bring it right to our nose. Good. And just bring it as far as you can, and then we're going to bring it outside next to our ear. Just hold it there as far as you can. If you know, some of you guys might be out here, it's okay. We all were there one time. So just keep on pulling, and eventually you're gonna get there. Breathe. Remember to breathe. Good. Now bring it down. Good job, guys. We're gonna same with the left leg. So bring your left leg up towards your nose. Good. And now bring it to your ear. As far as you can. You guys are great just for even starting, so that's the first step. So keep pulling as far as you can. Breathe through it. I know it hurts. You can do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. All right, guys. Well, that is our splits video for today. And remember, strength and flexibility go hand in hand, so I hope that you guys will watch the rest of our ballet sculpting videos. The link is below, so go ahead and check it out. I will see you there. Also, if you want to just come say hi to me, my social links are down there as well. I will see you soon.